Is homosexuality mentioned in the Quran? Homosexuality is mentioned in the story of Prophet Lut alayhi salatu salam. Prophet Lut alayhi salatu salam, when he was preaching Islam to the people, the rich people amongst his community, they were more interested in they were more interested in men and not the women, and also they were choosing young people. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned the story of Lut alayhi salam, that one day Allah has sent a few angels in the form of humans, with the, like, with being so attractive and handsome angels. They came in the human form, and Lut alayhi salam, the one of the members in his family, some say it is his mother, his wife, she went and she told the rich people that these are the people who have come to visit Lut alayhi salam. So these guys came to Lut alayhi salam, and they fought him. They wanted to take these people with them. They wanted to take them away from Lut alayhi salam. Lut alayhi salam humbly, because he was he was not physically strong to fight the gangs. So he humbly requested them that I will let my daughters marry you, and you can satisfy your sexual desires from them in a halal way, but don't harm my guests. And they didn't listen to him, and they physically involved in that. So finally Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the command to the angels to speak out, and they all spoke, and they said to Lut alayhi salam, don't worry, we are not human beings, and we are angels. We are sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to destroy these people. So that is mentioned in the Quran about these people, and then the punishment came to them, and they were turned up. The whole land was turned upside down, and they received the rain of fire from heaven, from sky.